Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading, no? So this is for June 24 to June the 27. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At meron din po tayong ibang readings doon. Might as well check the playlist. And a Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So ang nakikita ko dito, Cancer, parang may taong gustong lumapit, may taong gustong sabihin natin makipag-ugnayan uli, no? Bridging the gap. So it felt like there are distance between you and this person. So whether it is physical distance or energetic, no? Physical distance, that's self-explanatory, no? The person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Pwedeng nasa kabilang barangay or nasa kapitbahay as long as that there is distance between you, no? Energetic, chances are hindi kayo nagpapansinan, sabihin natin meron pong tampuhan, no? Worst case scenario is nakablock pa itong person, no? So itong taong ito, alam mo na or alam nyo sa isa't isa na hindi po hindi pa kayo tapos, no? Hindi pa tapos itong relasyon ninyo. I think na any time or any time upon seeing this video, no, na si person ay mag-reach out sa inyo. So gagawa ito ng paraan. Whether the person is blocked or not, so magugulat ka na lang, no? Alam mo na hindi ka rin bibitawan ni person. So ganun ka confident, no? Itong si Cancer dahil the emotion or this love that both of you shared is hindi naman siya biro, no? Kumbaga hindi siya basta-basta, no? Kumbaga madami na rin kayong pinagdaanan. With the Emperor, the Ten of Swords, and the Hermit. Ang tagal nang nag-aantay nitong taong ito, no? Nabigyan mo siya ng pansin na either patawarin mo siya. Dun po sa mga may crushes or baka hindi nyo lang pinapansin yung taong may crush sa inyo, baka kasi ayaw nyo, no? Okay lang naman yun, hindi naman sa pagiging choosy. We are actually choosing what's best for us. No? Pero itong taong to sobrang nag-aantay pa rin. What I am seeing in here is baka meron naman pong age gap, no? It might be a May-December love affair, but it might not be, no? If we're not talking about the age, then we're talking about the maturity, no? Baka kasi ikaw yung taong medyo matured mag-isip, no? Yung person mo naman yung medyo sabihin natin playful, no? Or medyo, ayoko sabihin immature, sabihin na isip, ganun na rin, isip bata, yan. With the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Cups, I feel like with the Ace of Pentacles in here, I think meron tong regalo sa'yo. And I hope that you're not going to think of it as a bribe, no? Kasi itong offer na ito or itong gift na ito, whether it is material things, whether it is money, well, wag naman sanang, well, okay lang din naman money. Pero kasi it will feel like a bribe or it could be an energy that, to prove to you that I am maturing or I already changed, With the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Swords, I feel like kaya kayo nagkaroon ng separation ng person na ito. Sabihin natin, nagkaroon siya ng inconsistency when it comes to putting the connection into another level, no? So baka urong-sulong ito, no? Tapos nagkaroon na kayo ng separation. Tapos ngayon, nung nagkaroon na nga ng separation, dun niya naisip na, ganun pala ka-importante itong presence, no, ni Cancer. Parang hindi ko rin palang kayang mawala siya, no? I think that this person is ready to have this relationship with you. With the Nine of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like malaking kawalan ikaw, no? To a point siguro na itong taong to is meron separation anxiety na, nagkaka-anxiety na, no? Or hindi na nakakatulog, worse, lagi kang napapanaginipan ni person, no? Ganun kalakas ang impact ni Cancer, no, sa person niya with the Seven of Cups and the Eight of Cups. I feel like may nasabi ka dito na ayoko na, no? I feel like nasabi mo rin na tama na, pagod na ako, no? It's better for me to seek for options, no? And I think na hindi kaya ni Cancer, hindi kaya ng person mo Cancer na yung mga nasabi mo sa kanya. Kaya itong pag-alis mo, kumbaga, na-knockout mo siya, nasuntok mo siya, nabuhusan mo siya ng malamig na tubig, no? Kumbaga, nagising siya sa mga sinabi mo. With the King of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands, I feel like there will be a lot of promises in here, but those promises is not just a word. I feel like your person is going to do everything, no? Your person is going to, sabihin natin, tototohanin naman, no, itong mga pinangako niya. With the 10 of Wands and the 9 of Wands, I feel like napahirapan mo siya, no, which is not your intention, but I feel like gusto mo siyang matuto, no? With the 9 of Coins and the 9 of Cups, kung matuto lang din naman, I feel like ito pong taong ito, no, learned what they need to learn, and I feel like you're gonna be happy with the result of their changes. If you're seeking for maturity, then maturity it is will be offered, or you're going to see the maturity in this person. So Cancer, miss na miss ka ng tao, sobrang hindi niya kaya na wala ka sa tabi niya. No? So this is your reading for now, Cancer. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I am seeing Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, baka kapwa Cancer ito, no? Leo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aries is here, Virgo is here. Yan, nasabi ko na yung Virgo. Did I just say Sagittarius? Yup. So this is your reading, Cancer. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, and meron po tayong ibang readings doon. Kung hindi nyo po matsyempohan ang live sessions, pwede po kayong magtanong dito po sa YouTube, hindi sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling nyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, meron po tayo sa description box ng video po natin dito sa YouTube, no? Yung link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. you're gonna be routed to my website or web page, no, whatever you want to call it. Nandun po yung information, how much it is, payment method, and I have a discounted price of or promotions for 4 questions plus 1. Or if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Again, Cancer, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.